Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if your iPhone is showing a weak security warning under your Wi-Fi network. So as you can see guys, I will show you when I open the Wi-Fi settings in my iPhone, the weak security warning is showing. So in this video I will explain what this warning means, why it appear and how to fix it properly. So this is very common issue on iPhone. When your iPhone show weak security, it means your Wi-Fi network is using outdated security encryption. For example, WPA or WPA2 mixed mode or older router security setting. These older security methods are less secure and easier to attack compared to modern encryption method. So Apple recommend using WPA2 or WPA3 security. To enable these settings, you can try this method. Restart your router. Turn the router off, wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on. Sometimes the warning disappear after router refreshes. Still the problem is same, still the warning is showing on your iPhone. You can try this method. This is the main fix. Okay, open your router setting page from a web browser. Usually you can get your router IP address in the backside of your router. You can enter it on your web browser. For example, 192.168.1.1. this is my router IP address. Log in using your router username and password. Now go to wireless setting page, and in the wireless setting go to security page. Here look for security mode. If it set to WEP or WPA or WPA mixed, change it to WPA2 personal AES or WPA3 if your router support it. You need to select this both option. Remember this guys, WPA2 personal AES or WPA3 if your router support it. Now save the setting and restart your router one more time. Now open your iPhone settings, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So as you can see guys, now my problem was solved. So still the warning is showing on your iPhone. So you need to use a strong Wi-Fi password. You need to change your Wi-Fi router password. You don't need to set very easy password like 1234567 You need to mix with letters, numbers and symbol. This improve overall Wi-Fi security and then it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. You can try another method. This is the bonus method. You need to update your router firmware. Sometime older router software also causes security warning. Go to your router setting once again and check for firmware update. Install the latest update if available and restart your router one more time. After this guys, it will 100% fix your problem. Now you can also forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network on your iPhone, and then also you need to update your iPhone. Go to iPhone settings, go to journal, go to software update. If the update is available, simply go ahead update your iPhone. After trying this all method guys, it will 100% solve your problem. If this video help you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below your problem was solved or not. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.